going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. This is Victoria Elise, and today we are baking, honey. We are doing the viral TikTok s'mores cookie. And when I tell you this s'mores cookie is delicious, honey, it's delicious. And it only takes a few ingredients. We got our graham cracker going down first. We're just layering those out because if you put them too close, you can risk your cookie becoming one whole cookie. Then you cannot forget your Hershey's chocolate. It is up to you. Whatever favorite Hershey bar you love, I would put it on this cookie. This is my all-time favorite cookies and cream. I cannot get enough, and that's what I decided to use on my cookie. Once you have your chocolate layered, you are going to then put a marshmallow right on top, just like you would do a s'more. Then comes our cookie dough. I decided to use the caramel turtle cookie dough. I think that's what it's called, the turtle cookie dough. It has pecans, it has chocolate, it has caramel. It is so good. I do believe you can use whatever kind of cookie dough you like. I know the more popular one is just chocolate chip. I'm not a fan of that much chocolate, so I had to use the cookie that I love. Or I should say, the cookie dough that I love. And you're just gonna flatten out that cookie dough. With the one that I got, I used 2 cubes of the cookie dough. You flatten it out, and you're just gonna lay that right on top of your marshmallow. I'm just trying to get it all around the marshmallow. And this is what it looks like when it's done. It already looks ooey gooey delicious, but just wait. You're gonna set your oven, you're gonna preheat it to 350 degrees. You're gonna put your cookies in there for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll have to watch and see how you want your finished cookie to come out, how crispy you want it. This is my finished cookie. Honey, so good, so gooey. Honey, if you are on a weight loss journey or you are on a healthy journey, please do not, I repeat, do not make these. But if you are just trying to have a fun girl summer, not a hot girl summer, make these, honey. The kids will love them, you'll love them. It's something to be enjoyed at least once during your summer. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like button, share with family and friends. And until the next time, bye.